Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the LEGO Ideas Jaws set, a stunning diorama kit for fans of the iconic movie. Whether you're a LEGO enthusiast, a Jaws fan, or both, this set is a must-have. Before we get started, don't forget to check the link below for the best deals. Let's take a closer look at this incredible build. Overview of the LEGO Ideas Jaws set. The LEGO Jaws set, 21,350, is part of the LEGO Ideas collection, bringing the legendary shark movie to life. The diorama includes the iconic Orca boat, beautifully detailed to match the movie. Minifigures of Chief Brody, Hooper, and Quint, each with accessories referencing key moments in the film. A terrifyingly detailed shark build, perfectly recreating the menacing great white shark from the movie. This set is perfect for fans of the classic film, movie memorabilia collectors, or LEGO enthusiasts who love unique, display-worthy creations. Design and build. The Orca boat is the star of the set, featuring incredible attention to detail, including weathered wood effects, fishing gear, and Quint's iconic shark chair. The shark build is menacing, with articulated jaws and fins for dynamic posing. Together, they create a dynamic diorama that captures the suspenseful atmosphere of the movie. The build process is engaging but not overly complex, making it suitable for adult fans who enjoy intricate LEGO sets. With approximately 1,900 pieces, this set provides a rewarding building experience while doubling as a stunning display piece. Minifigures and accessories. This set includes 3 iconic characters. Chief Brody, equipped with his binoculars and a determined expression. Hooper, dressed in his marine biologist gear, complete with a spear gun. Quint, ready to hunt the shark with his signature harpoon and rugged outfit. The accessories and details bring these characters to life, making them instantly recognizable to fans of the film. Why you love this set? Movie memorabilia, perfect for Jaws fans who want a collectible diorama that celebrates the classic movie. Attention to detail, from the Orca boat to the shark build, the set is packed with film-accurate features. Display-worthy. The completed model makes for an eye-catching centerpiece in any collection. Engaging build, with nearly 2,000 pieces, this set offers a fun and satisfying building experience. Final thoughts. The LEGO Ideas Jaws set, 21,350, is a dream come true for movie buffs and LEGO fans alike. Its intricate design, iconic characters, and attention to detail make it a standout addition to the LEGO Ideas lineup. If you're looking for the perfect blend of nostalgia and creativity, this set is a must-have. Ready to bring the Jaws movie magic to your collection? Check the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome reviews. See you next time.